Hi, my name is Bill. I'm from Nashville, Tennessee, and I'm a member of the Elite Traders University and using the Pip and Run system as taught by Dr. Greg McLeod. I want to say I'm very, very happy that I'm part of this family, and that's what everybody calls it, a family, and because I have been trading for many years and have never really gotten to the above the break-even stage. I think a lot of traders, even those that have had a lot of experience, have trouble with having confidence in their trades. And so I had a habit of cutting my profits short, letting some of my losers run, and I would be profitable in a lot of trades, but then everything would be wiped out when I would make the mistakes. So in Dr. Greg's system, he teaches us a program or a system that he has used for the past 20 years successfully. He's been in the industry for 27 years, and his system is very unique. It uses tools that a lot of people are familiar with, but it's the way he puts it all together that makes for very high probability trades. So I used to be scared before I would pull the trigger, or I wouldn't pull the trigger when I would see a setup. Now when I see one of his system's setups, I get a little excited, and I go ahead and pull the trigger, and very rarely would I hesitate, because I know there's a very high probability that I'm going to make money, and so which is very different from before. Recently, as part of the program, I did a 2-week test, and during that test I had 89 trades with a 97.77% win rate. Now, I didn't think that was ever possible. I didn't think any traders could ever do that, but that is that's not out of the that's pretty much routine for most of the students in our family. And it's not only that Dr. Greg helps us, but everybody else helps us, and we have some fabulous traders in our group that are very generous with their time, and Dr. Greg just is always there. He doesn't hold anything back. He tells us all we need to know in order to be successful. And so if you want to gain confidence in your trades, if you want to learn how to trade for a living, then I would strongly suggest that you do whatever it takes in order to get involved in this program. It's worth 100 times what they charge, and it's not cheap, but it's very well worth it, and you'll be amazed at how well you will do if you start doing what he says to do. See if there's anything else. I want to say, and I was skeptical, like it should be. I have had bad experiences in the past with spending a lot of money and not getting anything in return. Well, that's not the case here at all. Like I said, I think it's worth 100 times what they charge, and I strongly suggest if you want to start trading for a living, this is definitely the place to learn. And I've had some very good courses in the past, but by far, he's the best teacher I've ever had, and by far, this is far beyond the best course that I would ever even dream of having. So thank you, Dr. McLeod, Dr. Greg McLeod. The other thing I want to say is that the course is a lot of fun too. He keeps it fun. He's a heck of a man and quite a fine person. And so I think that you'll enjoy it, along with the learning how to make a living at this. I think that you'll definitely have a good time doing it. Okay, so good luck. Hope to see you.
If you felt a spark here and want to see how these principles can be used in your own trading, go to www.elitetradersuniversity.com/apply to book a free session with our team. We have helped hundreds of people remove the frustration and obstacles in trading to become consistent, highly profitable traders. These are proven principles that just work. Happy pipping!